Hi, I'm Etienne Blouin, Director of the Environmental System Group for Abicor Benzel. Today we're going to talk about the X-Fume Advance portable fume extraction system. The X-Fume Advance is a portable fume extraction system that comes in two versions, the 115 volts with two motors total of 1.6 kilowatt, or the 230 volts version with two motors totaling 3.2 kilowatts. This unit is a high vacuum unit that can produce all the way up to 20,000 Pascal or 80 inches of water column. The unit is able to support two workstations depending on your need, and there are two different ports to connect your hoses. The unit comes standard with a 5 meter or 16 foot long hose. Additionally, the unit comes with an auto start stop feature using a current sensor connected to the front panel of the machine and to the power cable of your MIG welding gun. This feature maximizes the life of your filter and the life of your motors. Of course, a manual setting is also available. The motors are coming with carbon brushes that you can replace at the end of their service life. The unit comes with two PTFE Histech filters that have a filtration efficiency of 99.9% all the way down to 0.1 micron. The unit comes with automatic filter cleaning that works with compressed air that you can directly connect to the machine. Automatic cleaning happens without interrupting the welder's ability to weld. A service light will activate to notify the welder that the process is going. There is a dust collector drawer at the bottom of the unit where the dust is accumulating for easy maintenance and cleaning. When it comes time to change the filter, and that varies upon your process, you will simply have to open up the unit, use the provided wrench to remove the filter and place new ones. The X-Fume Advance is equipped with a maintenance meter telling you how many hours you've been working with the unit to make sure your preventive maintenance is done to keep the unit performing at its max. On the front panel, you have a variable speed knob that allows you to control the speed of the motor and the strength of the vacuum to apply to your process. That way, you can always have the right vacuum for the right part of your process. Locking caster wheels attached to the bottom of the X-Fume Advance make it easy to move in wherever you need it, while its small footprint makes it easy for storage when you don't. When combined with the X-Fume fume extraction MIG torch, the X-Fume Advance unit is particularly effective for smoke extraction directly at the source. In today's world, it is very important to keep the workplace free of welding smoke. If you would like to know more about fume extraction, please contact your local Benzel representative or the website benzel-abicor.com for more information. I'm Etienne Blouin, thanks for watching and have a good day.